In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a folder. If you want to keep your mailbox organized, renaming folders is a simple way to make everything easier to find later. This is especially helpful if a folder name is too generic, outdated, or no longer matches the type of messages you're storing inside it. The good news is that the process is very quick and only takes a few seconds. To begin, locate the folder you want to rename in your folder list. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct one, especially if you have several folders with similar names. Once you've found the folder, right-click directly on its name. This will open a menu with several folder options. From that menu, choose the option that says Rename Folder. As soon as you click it, the current folder name will become editable. At this point, simply type the new name you want to use. Try to choose a clear and specific name so the folder is easy to recognize later. For example, you might rename a folder based on a project, a client category, or a type of message you regularly save there. Keeping folder names short but descriptive usually works best. After you've entered the new name, press Enter on your keyboard to confirm the change. The folder will immediately update with its new name, and you can continue working as normal. If you change your mind before confirming, you can usually click away or press Escape, depending on your setup, to cancel the rename. One important thing to keep in mind is that not every folder can be renamed. Default system folders, such as Inbox, Sent, and Deleted Items, are usually built into the email service and are protected from being changed. So if you right-click one of those folders and don't see the rename option, that's expected behavior and not a problem with your account. If the rename option is available, the process is always the same. Right-click the folder name, select Rename Folder, type the new name, and press Enter. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference when you're trying to stay organized and work more efficiently. That's all there is to it. Renaming folders is quick, straightforward, and a great way to keep your email system clean and easy to navigate.